Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on parallel and perpendicular lines. Number 1. Two non-vertical lines with the same slope are parallel. And the converse for this one is, if two non-vertical lines are parallel, then they have the same slope. Number 2. If the product of the slopes of two non-vertical lines is -1, then the lines are perpendicular. Meaning if you are given a slope a over b, so multiplied to another slope here, the result here will be -1. So this means that you will just have its negative reciprocal. So the negative reciprocal of a over b is negative b over a. So if we're going to multiply these two here, we're going to have the result of -1. We are going to use these ideas here in solving problems involving parallel and perpendicular lines. Let's have here our examples. Number 1, write an equation of the linear function whose graph is parallel to the graph of the given equation and passes through the given point. Letter A, y equals 3x minus 4 and passes to 0.35, and B, 2x plus 3y equals 1 and passes through 0.42. So let's have first letter A. So in here, this is in the slope-intercept form. So we can directly find the slope or determine the slope. So the slope here is 3. So if we're going to find an equation that is parallel to this given equation, the slope will also be 3. So the required equation will be y equals 3x then plus b. Then using the given point here 3, 5, we are going to substitute x with 3 and y with 5. So we're going to have our equation as 5 equals 3 times 3 then plus b. So our aim here is to find the value of b. So 3 times 3 is 9. This is 5 here. And plus b. Then transposing 9 to the left side, we're going to have -9 plus 5. That will be -4. So b equals -4, meaning the required equation here will be y equals the slope 3 and x then minus 4. Then letter B, 2x plus 3y equals 1 then passes through 0.42. So what we're going to do here is to find the slope. So this is standard form, so we're going to write this one to slope-intercept form. So we're going to have this one as 3y equals, transposing 2x to the right side, this will become -2x, then plus 1. Then dividing both sides by 3, we're going to have y equals -2 over 3x plus 1 over 3. So the required slope is -2 over 3. So we're going to use the equation y equals -2 over 3x plus b. Then using the point here for x and y, we're going to have our y, it's 2, equals -2 over 3 times our x is 4, then plus b. Then multiplying the 2, this is -8 over 3, then plus b. Then to be able to eliminate 3 here, so we're going to multiply the equation by 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then 3 times -8 over 3 is -8. Then 3 times b is 3b. Then transpose -8 to the right side or left side. We're going to have -8 will become +8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. then this is equal to 3b. Then dividing both sides by 3, we can have 14 over 3 equals 3b divided by 3 is b. So our value of b is 14 over 3. So the required equation will be y equals negative 2 over 3x plus the value of b, 14 over 3. Example number 2. Write an equation of the linear function whose graph is perpendicular to the graph of the given equation and passes through the given point. So letter A, y equals 2x minus 3 and passes through 2, 3. B, 5x minus 2y equals 10 and passes through point 5, 8. So for letter A, we have here the slope 2. So since we're going to have the perpendicular line, so we're going to have the negative reciprocal of 2, and the negative reciprocal of 2 is negative 1/2. So this is our required slope, meaning our required equation will be y equals negative 1/2 x plus b. Then using the point here 2, 3, 2 is for x and 3 is for y. So we're going to have here 3 was negative 1/2 times 2 then plus b. Then 2 times negative 1/2 here is negative 1. So we're going to have b or 3 equals negative 1 plus b. Then transposing negative 1 to the left side, we're going to have 3 plus 1. So b here is equal to 4. So the required equation will be y equals the slope negative 1/2 x, then the value of b positive 4. Then for letter B, 5x minus 2y equals 10 and passes through 0.58. So standard form, so we're going to write this one to slope-intercept form to find the slope. So we're going to have negative 2y equals negative 5x, then plus 10. Then dividing both sides by 2 or negative 2, we're going to have y equals negative 5 divided by negative 2 is positive 5 over 2 in x, then 10 divided by negative 2 is negative 5. So our slope here is 5 over 2. Since we're going to have the perpendicular line, so we're going to have the negative reciprocal of 5 over 2, and our required equation will be y equals negative 2 over 5x plus b. And using the point here, 5, 8 for x and y, we're going to have y equals 8. Then this is equal to negative 2 over 5. Our x is 5. Then plus b. So 8 here is equal to negative 2 over 5 times 5. That will be negative 2. Then plus b. Then transposing negative 2 to the left. So 8 plus 2, that will be 10. So 10 here is the value of b. So our required equation here from this one is y equals negative 2 over 5 x plus 10. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.